Hello. Now that you have watched the video on how to use the normal distribution table and calculate z-values by hand, I am now going to show you how to do it in StatCrunch. So these are the three probabilities that we need to look up in StatCrunch. These are the ones that are also used in the previous video. So let's go ahead and talk about StatCrunch. In order for us to calculate this, we need to go into Stat, Calculators, and then we're going to go down to Normal Distribution. Pull this up a little bit. As you can see, in order to use the z-table, your mean has to be 0 and your standard deviation has to be 1. In StatCrunch, you can change the mean and standard deviation to whatever numbers you're working with. But in our example, we were working with the mean of 0 and the standard deviation of 1. So the first problem we're going to figure out is the probability that z is less than 1.23. So I already have the mean set as 0, the standard deviation is 1. We got x is less than, and I'm going to type in 1.23. When we did it with the table, we got an answer of 0.8907. So let's see if we get that this time. And voila, as you can see, I got 0.89065, and they just rounded up to, you can round it up to 0.8907. Okay. In the second problem, we wanted to find the probability that z is greater than 2.22. When I computed that answer using the table, I got an answer of 0.0132. So let's go ahead and put that number in. This time we want greater than, and then we want 2.22. When I hit compute, I get 0.0132. The last problem that we want to calculate is the probability that your z-value is in between 0.5 and 1. When I calculated that answer using the table, I got 0.1498. So when we go back into StatCrunch, we're going to hit up here where it says between, and I'm going to put in 0.5 and 1. I'm going to hit compute, and voila, I got 0.1498, which is what we calculated from before. So this is how you use StatCrunch. Hope this helps.